We are Sam, a Caterpillar brand. And to assist efficiently all of Latin America, we use 4 spare parts distribution centers, making sure that we provide aftermarket service solution experience to our customers. Sam uses the same Caterpillar centers that are strategically located in Mexico, in San Luis Potosí, in the United States, in Miami and Morton, and in Brazil, in Piracicaba. Our centers have a broad storage capacity and different types of parts of different sizes and quantities to meet the needs of our customers. Also, we use the latest technology to assist them in the fastest and most efficient way. With precise and fully computerized logistics, the centers guarantee a total supply of our SAM dealers in Latin America. In this way, we are able to attend emergency orders made during cut-off hours on that same day. Thanks to its modern infrastructure and high availability, our logistics work fast and efficiently to guarantee our customers the tranquility of continuous production supported by Caterpillar's global service technology and spare parts. SAM, the confidence you need with the cost benefit that you expect.